Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2001 Oldsmobile Aurora. For this project, you would need a 8mm socket or wrench and a 13mm socket or wrench. Okay, so we're going to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is also known as the ground. And once you disconnect the negative, proceed to disconnect the positive. The positive is the red indicator. Okay, now get your long extension and your 13mm socket and disconnect the battery bracket itself, which is located in the center of the battery. It's a small bracket that's holding down the battery itself, and once you get that bolt loosen that bracket up, you'll be able to free the battery out the back seat of this vehicle. Okay, once you got your new battery inserted back into the back of the vehicle, you want to connect your positive terminal first. And go ahead and find your bracket itself to start bolting down that battery bracket. Just make sure that that piece is flat, flush down. It'd be easy to put that bolt center dead in the middle to tighten it up. So now you want to tighten up your positive, and also you want to tighten up your negative, which is also known as the ground. And this is your first time stopping by Battery Guyz with a Z. Please subscribe to the channel. We are adding daily videos of installs, of how we recondition the world's best reconditioned battery, how we recycle batteries. There's a lot of amazing things what we do here on the channel itself. You'll be amazed the process for what battery goes through before it actually gets to a customer's vehicle. But this is how you install a battery in a 2001 Oldsmobile Aurora.